Today, we announce our plan to gradually reopen our businesses. It's the product of the collaboration between the Minister of Economy, Minister of Labor, the CNE-SST, and the public health authorities. Our challenge is to gradually restart the economy without restarting the pandemic.
Quebec is starting to reopen retail stores, manufacturing and construction gradually next month, sending hundreds of thousands of employees back to work. But Premier François Legault says gatherings are still banned and social distancing measures are still in place.
The idea is to gradually add workers and analyze the effect on the contagion. But one thing is clear, if we want our plan to work, we need to continue all our efforts of physical distanciation.
Quebec has recorded 83 new deaths for a total of 1,682, 25,757 confirmed cases, up by 775. 1,625 people are in hospital, up by 84. 217 of those in ICU, up by 7. Premier Legault saying the situation is stable outside of seniors' homes, and that is why the province will start reopening certain sectors of the economy. Retail businesses not in shopping malls will start opening outside of the Montreal region on May 4th, and in the Montreal area starting May 11th. The manufacturing sector and road construction across the province will start up on May 11th, with a reduced number of employees in the manufacturing sector. Quebec's Minister of Economy, Pierre Fitzgibbon, saying social distancing measures will remain in place in the workplace.
Frankly, over the last few weeks, between the CNE-SST, between public health, there's been a lot done to develop protocol. And I think the next few days, these protocol will be explained to employees. The employers know what they have to do, and I think that the proper information that will be provided to the employees will make it that people will feel safe to go and work.
People at risk of complications for COVID-19 will be asked to stay home, and employers are asked to continue working from home protocols if possible. Premier Legault saying social gatherings are still banned and could stay in place for some time.
Faire des parties de famille, on peut s'en passer pendant un certain temps. Je comprends que c'est pas bon pour la santé mentale puis que les gens ont hâte de se retrouver. Mais, les personnes doivent rester à 2 mètres.
In Montreal, Sharon Yonan Reynolds, City News.